Today, ooh, crazy glitch. I wonder if that. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to show you some really complicated grid patching. Just kidding. I just want some stereo white noise. So I'm going to make a MIDI clip. And I'm going to make a long note. And an even longer MIDI clip. And then I'm going to bounce it. And deactivate it. Bye-bye. So now, the cool thing that I want to show you is Bitwig's time stretching stuff. There's all sorts of fun modes here, but this Elastique Pro is quite crazy. So, our beautiful white noise, but it turns out if you use time stretch, white noise, you can have all sorts of fun. Ooh, that kind of broke my computer there. It's probably not Bitwig's fault, but the fact that I'm screen recording. Ooh. So that's neat. But let's keep going. Just get completely bonkers with it. Ooh, that's fun. Ooh, very fun. So I kind of like that. Might duplicate it so I can mess with this a little more. Remember to hit save often. Ooh. Well, that's the end of the video. Just kidding. We're gonna make it really complicated by pitching it up, pitching it down, pitching it all around. Ooh, that's fun. But what's more fun is if you press 3 on your keyboard, you get the pen tool. Or mess with these here. But and you have a huge range. Wow. Even pitching that down doesn't really do much. This is when I bounce it and just deactivate that track. Now we got this one. You click on the clip and press Command N. You can normalize it. And so you see that little peak right there? I'm gonna just maybe get up in there a little more and directly make it even. This is fun. I love this. Bounce it, deactivate. And keep doing it. Ooh. I love that. That's so crazy. So crazy. Uh, that is nasty. Let's keep going. Let's stretch it some more. You can be a lot more intentional, but that's not the point of getting to right here. The point is having fun and then getting granular later. And just bounce it all. Anytime you get a cool thing, you can just bounce it. Um, you could be bouncing it in real time if you set up a audio track and routed it, which has its benefits, but then you end up with a really big long file that you have to either chop up or comp, and yeah, I'm risking it by just seeing if my computer can handle screen recording and doing this at the same time. Ooh. I'm kind of forcing a transient there. Kind of fun. Oh. We can also, I'm going to bounce this one more again. Because another fun thing to do is to just double the length of it. Or quadruple it. That's crazy. Bounce it, deactivate. Duplicate, why not? Because I'm gonna go crazy again with the pitch shifting. Great. This part is a little too loud. I love that. I love it so much. Deactivate. That's a bounce. That part is still loud. It's defying all of my demands that it chill. Now we can make it shorter. Imagine this with effects. We're just not using them, so I can clearly show how crazy this is with just this algorithm being yoinked around. Whee! That's cool. I like it. It's good. I like it. Yeah, okay. Don't act like you didn't see that coming. Why won't you go down? Maybe I'll bounce in place. That's better. Maybe I can edit this down into something usable, or you know what? You people, if you're watching this, you probably like. If you're still watching this, you probably like long form content. I don't know if this is going to be public or just for my friends, but I hope you found this interesting. Traditional ending of video.